Hi guys, today we are going to discuss some of coding questions which were asked in LTI programming assessment. Welcome to the channel, crack it. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on a bell icon for latest updates from our channel, and also join in our Telegram channel. Here is the first question. The question says remove duplicates. Write a function to remove all duplicate characters from an input string. So the question is very clear. Input is a string and output is non-duplicate characters. So that's it guys. Let's get into coding. Guys, I have written some of sample input and output over here. Let me write code in the Python first. Later I will write code in Java. So for that we need a function. For the defining function we use def. My function name is a removing chars, and it takes one argument, that is a n. So for that I need to take one empty string over here. Then I need a one loop for I in n. It's like I'm fetching each and every character which is present which is there in a input string. Then I'm checking it means like what I'm going to do here, like I need to take each character from n and I will append those characters to yes by comparing. It means I will check whether the characters of n is present in yes or not. If the character is not present in yes, then I will go ahead to with appending the characters. If present, I just pause. That's it. If I in yes, it means checking the character. If I am fetching character from n, is that same character also present in yes? Checking at this line. If not, if the character exists, then simply pause. It means like do nothing, just pause over there. That's it. Else part, this is our important part. If the character is not present in yes, just append the character to it. That's it. We are done with that. So we need to return a string. That's it. Like here our main driver code runs. So I take one input, so n for checking purpose I'm directly taking that input and I will call this function. Though we are returning value, so we have to print it, so that's why I'm writing printing over here. So removing chars which takes n. That's it. Let's run this file. See guys, we are getting the same thing what we expected. So that's it. We can if you are not familiar, like if you are not worried about the order, you can directly use set. We all of you know that a set is a set which removes the duplicate characters. It allows only unique characters in it. So we can go through that if we don't need to care about any order of here we need to take care about the order of characters which is present in a string. So that's why we are checking by order. So that's it. uh, uh, this is a code in Python guys. What we did in Python, the same logic we are going to apply over here. So that's it. For that we need a one method static. It returns string, so my return type is a string. So sorry, I return type is string and I call it as a method. My method name is a method, so that's why it takes one parameter, that is the string argument. Then I need one empty string, that is a string. I name it as a s1 is equals to empty. then I'll append. So what I'm doing over here, it means I'm passing suppose a b c d. Yeah, I'm passing this string to my method. Then what I trying to do over here means like first of all I will append the first character of a string to my s1 string. So my s1 string becomes yeah. So what I'm trying to do here means I will fetch the character from whatever string we are passing to this method. I'll fetch the character from that string and I will compare with my existed empty string. If the character matches, there is no need to add that character to this new string s1. If the character doesn't matches, then we are going to add we are going to append the same character to string s1. So that's what our task to be done. That's it. S dot sorry 0. Guys, the removing character from string, there are various methods are there. You can solve what which method suits to you. If you find this method easy for you, you can go with, or else it seems like difficult for you. It insists, but when you understand the whole thing, what is happening inside the code, then you get to know about the simplicity of the code. You can you can use maps also. By using maps you can find the solution for this question. But using maps, it's a it's a quite easy, but its code length is increases. So that's why I'm not using that maps. You can use if you want to. If you want to use, you can use. There is no problem for that one. Need a one for loop. Int I is equals to 0. I less than s dot length and I plus plus. I need another loop for int j is equals to 0. J less than here s1 dot length and j plus plus. It means this loop pointing to my second string and this loop points to the input string are what is we are going to giving. So that is it's like it targets to local variable local string, that is a string s, and this targets to our new string s1. So that's what we are doing here. After writing loops, we need to compare the characters in both strings. So s1 dot char it. I'll take the character out here. I'll fetch this character. Then uh, uh, I will compare string s character to our new string character. That's s1 dot char it j. That's it. If matches, like if both characters matches, we do one thing, flag is equals to false. So false. For that we are using, we need to initialize over here boolean. Flag is equals to, initially we keep it as a true. So that's it. We have done spelling mistakes. False. We have done this. Okay, after doing this I need to check if flag is true, means the character what we fetching from string s is not there in our string s1. So that's in that cases we are going to append the characters, every character from s to s1. That's what we are going to do. It's equals to s1 dot char it I. So then we're done. Here nothing, we are doing nothing, man. Just we are fetching the characters from yes, and we are checking if these character is already present in s1 or not. If not, we are appending. If exist, we are just keeping false, we just ignoring it. We are doing nothing if the characters matches. That's it, and we have to return our value, return s1. So we are done with the logic. So we have to write a main method to run our application. For that we need a scanner object. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner. For timing, I'm taking this input. Later I will tell you how to take input from the user. First of all, we have to check whether we are getting or not. Later we will go through user input. Then though we are returning, so we have to print it. So system dot out dot println. So our method name is a method. So it takes one input. That's it. We have done with that. Let's run our application. Let's see. It's like out of index, out of range. Why we are getting this? Let me check. This is yes. Sometimes it's happen. So this is guys. This is our output. We are getting same thing what we got in Python. So that's it. Same logic. Like if you want to use the input, if you want to take the input from the user, so there's nothing. Let's see dot next. That's it. In Python, just you need to take input. That's it. This is a code in Java and Python. Like guys, in both languages you can in Python we can find the solution by using dictionaries, ordered dictionaries. In Java we can find the solution by using maps, as I told you. So we can have a we can also another choice for this. If we the question is not about the maintaining the order of it's like order of characters, we can go with the sets. Set is a it gives unique characters instead of repeating characters. If you have to maintain the order, you may go to order the dictionary type dictionary, or else you can follow this method. Anything is fine. Guys, here is the second question. Second question is a palindrome. We are supposed to find the given input is palindrome or not. I think the question is very clear to you. Given input and the output. If the given string is a palindrome, we have to return 1. If not, we have to return -1. Sorry, 0. That's what. The return 0 if the input is string is not a palindrome, and 1 if the input string is a palindrome. That's what our case to. So let's get into coding. Guys, I have written some sample input and output over here. Here input is a level, so this is a palindrome. That's why we have to print. We have to return 1. If the given string is not a palindrome, then we have to return 0. That is our task to be done. So for that, it's a very simple. I'm writing code in Python. Later on we will move to the Java. So we need to have a one function def that is a pol, and our function name is it takes one input like one argument, that is a n. Sorry, it's a column. So if it's a very simple guys, it's a very simple program. Just oddly it needs 4 to 5 lines. That's it. Apart from that, there is no extra lines needed. So for that, I equals to I of colon colon -1. If this is a case, just to return 1, it means it's a palindrome. Else return 0. That's it. For timing, I'm checking input. That's level. Though we are returning, so we have to print pol n. Let's run this. Let's see. So here means n of colon colon -1. It means it's reverse the string. Whatever we are getting, it's reverse the string. We can we can use we do have a 3 methods to solve this problem. One is the index, what I did. Second thing is the reversal method. Then third one is the loops. We can solve this question in these 3 methodologies. Among this, index method is quite easier, and reversal, just you need to take help of a reversal method that will reverse the string, and later on you need to compare. That's it. Apart from that, there is nothing more than that. So let's see the same code in Java. So for that, I need a one method. Static void, not void, it's return one value int, and method name is a pol. Method name is a method pol, and takes one argument, that is a string type, string s. So in this like in Java also we do have same for string we don't have reversal method. For that we can use the loops, or else we can use string buffer. So string buffer sb is equals to new string buffer. This takes string as an input, that's what we are giving. Then we need to compare, that's it. If sb dot reverse, this we are reversing it, then we are, it's like string buffer and string are two different things. So what we are doing, we are giving string as a argument to string buffer, so its type is string buffer. So we are reversing the string buffer. Then we have to compare this reverse string buffer object with string object. So that's why it needs to convert into typecast into string. Then it's guys, in Java, double equals to not work out here. It's a double equal to meant for the hash code of a object. If you need to compare content of an object, then you need to go equals the object is yes. So that's it, we have done. Then return 1, else return 0. That's it, we have done with that. Let's write main method. Need one scanner object, c is equals to new scanner, for timing I'm checking with level. Afterwards we look into how to take input from user. So though we are returning, we have to print system dot out dot println. Our method name is a method, method pod. That's it. Let's see. We have to import a package. Import dot java dot input java dot util dot star. That's it. We missed one parenthesis. That's it. Just run this our application. See guys, we are getting. Let's check it out. Check with another example. Same thing. Let's check for this. So absolutely fine guys. If you want to user input, just next. Just run this. It asking to type input. Mom. This time goes to dad. Yeah, this is our output. It's just so simple guys. This is in Java. This is in Python.